Hello everyone. Now I want to do presentation about psycholinguistics that focus on language comprehension. The first time I want to introduce about psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is the combination of two words. The first is psychology and the second is linguistics. Psychology that talk about brain and linguistics that talk about language. So psycholinguistic study is learn about how human can understand, how human can produce, and how human can learn the language. That's why in psycholinguistics we can find language comprehension, language production, and language acquisition. Now in this chance, I want to describe about language comprehension. Language comprehension is how human can understand the spoken or written sentence. That's why we can hear what people say to us. It means our language comprehension is run well. In language comprehension, there are three components that important to support and give impact to our ability in comprehension. The first is vocabulary, the second is language background, and the third is memory. These three aspects give impact to our reading ability, speaking ability, and whole information ability. Kinds of language comprehension. The first is speech perception. Let's talk about how our auditory system can convert sound vibration such as phonetic and phonology into a series of the words. That's why we can hear every single words in a sentence. The second is constituent structure. Let's talk about how our understanding to the sentence by removing the words, but the meaning is still there. That's why if we retell the story from the text, our words is pretty different from the text, but the meaning and the major things is still there. The third is transformational grammar. Is our knowledge about structural grammar or sentence. That's why we cannot just read the sentence, but we have to analyze the abstract meaning in a sentence. Issues in language comprehension. The first is language comprehension in reading and listening. Our comprehension will be difficult because it's not always be easy to identify every phrases and the relation one to another in a sentence. The second is language comprehension in spoken language. Our comprehension will be difficult if our auditory system can't hold the information from the speaker. The third is language comprehension in written language. Our comprehension will be wrong if the line breaks and paragraph marking not written clearly. Okay, that's all about my presentation today. If I have many mistakes, please forgive me, and for your good attention I say thank you very much.